This was I got from Scooter Renee, and as soon as I saw it, I already knew what I was going to do with it. So, that's a project, another project to add to all the rest of them. This is the little mesh uh, box, I guess, that I got from Scooter. I hot glued the torn parts. I'm not great at hot gluing, so that's why everything's a mess. But anyway, that's done. Wasn't sure what to use for bubbly water, and then I'm staring at all the bubble wrap all over my room. That works. This is the little mesh box I got from Scooter. Down here you can see the little bowl of water. Got the birds. Everything's drying, so hopefully moving it won't mess it up. Back here I have two little pine cone leaves. I don't know what else to call them. And yes, it's birdseed on there because what else? And birdseed on the bottom. So, my little project for today. Anyway, so I'll probably have someone hang it up later once this all dries, and I have someone here to do that. So, today's project. There's the little birds. They need names.